Hello trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to talk about price action strategy. Price action strategy is very successful strategy. We have a chart for gold and its time frame is M5. We will apply this strategy in the short Trump time frame. We have a support level of gold at 2029.450. A shooting star candle is made here. The shooting star candle has broken this support and resistance. Now we will place our sell entry. We have make a profit this trade. Don't waste money. Join my VIP group.